Hi, I'm Lawson with AM Electronics, and I'm here with Jason, and we're going to show you how to connect our CD carbon dash using our plug-and-play adapter harness to this Yamaha YXZ. Our new CD carbon adapter harness for the Yamaha YXZ provides true plug-and-play connectivity by connecting to the main dash connector. It includes ready-to-use templates that were designed specifically for the YXZ channels. We have vibrant, custom layouts that include stock appearing, racing with lap timing, an adventurer layout with a live compass, if you have the GPS included, and a diagnostics racing page that gives you access to all the most important channels coming through the diagnostic port. Unfortunately, Yamaha doesn't send fuel level through the diagnostics port, but we've taken care of that by including a connector on the plug-and-play adapter harness that adapts to our 6-channel CAN sensor module. That CAN sensor module allows you to connect to your fuel level sending unit, and we've already programmed that into the software, so all you need to do is connect it and go. An added bonus to our 6-channel CAN sensor module is that it gives you the ability to add additional temps and additional pressure sensors. That gives you expandability for the future or gives you additional channels that you may not be getting through the diagnostics port. Jason's going to show you how to make the connection in a few seconds here, and you're going to get to see the sweet custom installation setup that George Hamill, who owns this rig, has made for our CD carbon dash. However, if you don't have a mounting solution, we make that easy too with our RAM mounts adapter bracket. A RAM mounts adapter bracket connects to the back of the CD5 or CD7 carbon dash, and it allows you to purchase a RAM mounts mounting solution, a roll bar or a suction cup if you happen to have a windshield, which allows you to install a CD carbon dash in minutes. However, if you do want to make your own custom enclosure or bracket for your CD carbon dash, we provide online 3D CAD files of both the CD7 and CD5 carbon dashes, not just the mounting points, but the entire 3D assembly, so that you can develop this in CAD, which is computer-aided design, or in my case, cardboard-aided design. Another cool advantage to our CD carbon dash and our plug-and-play adapter harness is that we are able to give you a numerical readout of the coolant temperature on your Yamaha. So there's a quick overview of the features of the plug-and-play adapter harness for the CD carbon dash for the Yamaha YXZ. I'm going to turn it over to Jason now, and he's going to show you how easy it is to make that connection and see everything.
Connecting our YXZ plug-and-play harness is as simple as unplugging your factory dash connector, plugging it into our mating connector on our plug-and-play harness. This connector provides power and ground to our CD dash, as well as our factory Yamaha CAN high, CAN low, and our fuel level signal, which is an analog signal that we actually send to our 6-channel CAN sensor module. It sends that signal to our 6-channel CAN sensor module, which takes that analog voltage and outputs it over CAN so that our CD7 carbon dash can see that data. We've mounted our 6-channel CAN sensor module on the back side of our center console storage area to give us easy access to all the wiring and making additional connections that George requested with his installation, such as oil pressure and oil temperature. Adding those to the CAN sensor module is as simple as wiring them in with your signal wires, 5-volt reference and sensor ground wires for each appropriate sensor. And those signals are then transmitted to the dash via CAN in a simple one-plug connection. Additionally, George wanted air-fuel ratio reading on his YXZ, so we hooked him up with one of our inline X-Series wideband controllers. The nice thing about these controllers is they not only transmit a 0 to 5 analog signal, but they also output over our AM net CAN. To incorporate that into this vehicle, since we already have multiple CAN-enabled devices, we used our new 4-port CAN hub. The nice thing about this is it gives us 4 DTM connection points for daisy chaining AM net or any additional CAN bus devices together. We rate our 4-port CAN hub at a maximum current draw of 3 amps, and we want to make sure that we hook up any of our wideband controllers with a minimum of a 5 amp source. So to do that, we tapped into the factory cigarette lighter on this Yamaha. The cigarette lighter is a switched 12-volt power source, which means that there's 12 volts applied only when the key is in the on position. which means that the sensor and controller will not be powered unless the key is on or the engine is running.
Jason, thank you for another incredible installation. Everything's super clean. Explanations are on point as always. Really appreciate it. If you like what you see, hit the subscribe button below. We'll be adding content all year, including some pretty cool racing footage from some of our partners as the 2019 season heats up.
Peace out, bitches.
Hi, I'm Lawson, and I'm here with... I can't even get it out. Hi, I'm Lawson. I mean, I was on it right there, and you just dicked it off. Hey, Jay.
Hey, Law.
Take this installation,